Hi, and welcome to Certain Media DIY Musician Secrets, powered by Wealthy Mindset. This is secret number 9, how to register with the Library of Congress. And a note before starting, we highly suggest reading Circular 4 and the FAQs on the LOC website before registering your claim. Step 1. Have your music recorded already. You should already have music ready in some form that can be mailed or uploaded to the Library of Congress website. If not, see DIY secret number 3, recording for beginners. Step 2, find a computer. You can see I'm in front of my computer now. In order to register or collect information for sending your CD, you'll need to be able to access the Library of Congress website at www.copyright.gov. Step 3, open your web browser of choice. Step 4, type www.copyright.gov into the browser's URL window and click Go or Enter. When it comes up, you see I'm already here. Step 5, click on the word Register in the image that says Register a Copyright. Step 6, click Log In to the Electric Copyright Office registration system. And then you can see I was entering another artist's information in here to help them register. If you don't have a username already, you're going to need to click New User. But if you do have a username already, go ahead and put that in, and then put in your password. Click OK. Then on the left side, you'll see there's a number of ways to register your work. Typically, you're going to do the standard application, and that will take you to a page that teaches you about what goes into a published work, having unpublished work, photographs, all the ways that you might file, and then pay the required fee, things like that. If you're going to start the registration, that's step 7. You'll click Start Registration, and in the box you'll need to select the type of work. So for music, we would be choosing sound recording, but you can also register literary work, visual arts, work for the performing arts, motion picture, AV, single serial issue. But for the purposes of music, we would click sound recording, and then it explains a little bit more about that. Click the box if you understand, and then continue. And now here's where you're going to start registering your work, and that's step 8. Step 9, before if you finish your registration, feel free to look around on the copyright law and all the things that are here and available to you to read on the copyright website. You really don't want to get into any of these documents and sign them before you understand what's happening. Step 10, you're going to want to enter in all of your registration information. You'll click New here, and the title is the title of the work being registered. If it's the title of a larger work like an album or something like that, or if you have a series, things like that, you can do that, but it would be the title of the work to be registered. I'm just going to register a track that I already need to register, which is called Free, featuring my friend Diako. You click Save, and then it shows there. You click Continue. Has this work been published? No, it has not. It may be published soon, but it has not yet been published. Step 11, complete the application as thoroughly and with as much information as you can provide in addition to the things that are required. Step 12, upload and send your music. After you get the web or physical address from the Library of Congress, you will need to upload it or burn a CD and send it into the office. Step 13, pay the fee for individual offers, not for hire, unless you are making this for a company that is not you or your own, or you can do the standard work for hire applications, but see the information under the hyperlink Circular 4 for details.